Okay, welcome to TradeSetup in the morning Jumpstart for the 7th of September. Alright, bit of a mixed bag overnight. We had the SPY futures closed down 10 points. The S&P futures closed up 6.5 points after being closed the previous session. The FTSE 100 closed down 65 points, while the DAX closed up 6 points. Gold finished very strong, up $27.30 after the US dollar fell. Oil finished up 44 cents to 44.88 a barrel. CRB index finished up 91 points. The Aussie is currently around the 76.84 level. Okay, looking now at the 30-minute chart on the ASX 200. We obviously did push up from these levels through there. I think that was Monday, pushed up to the highs of 54.33, and it's been pretty much an orderly move lower back down to retest that 53.79 mark. Now that would suggest we are going to maybe build a higher low to push up through this resistance level to 54.20, potentially through that to 54.33 again, and maybe above that. We'll see how the following price action plays out, maybe today or tomorrow. But yeah, that does look ready to pop up higher. But we would like to see that higher low build here. That could be pretty much just a spike on the open and then work its way up during the day. All right, let's look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, on the daily chart of the Aussie, we did push up. We had rate announcements which were left on hold, the interest rates yesterday, and before that we did see that initial tick up, spike high, then we had a bit of a retracement, retest, and then we pushed through that major level, probably around the 76.40 level. We did push up into the US session also on the back of a weaker US dollar. So it looks like from this we've had that contraction on the daily chart. The trend up has held. We made that higher low at 7,500 above the 74.36 marks, and we are heading towards 77.50, potentially 78.15 and above. We'll see how that plays out. Taking a look at AMA Group now. This is a daily chart of AMA Group. We have our entry level at 97.5. We have our risk currently held at 99.5. We've just popped that up slightly after we look like we are potentially building that higher low after the retest of $1. Now we do expect it to push up through the 105, 106 level. If that happens, then that is good to go. That is good to go probably to the 110 mark. That's what we expect. We are in overbought territory. But we'll see how that goes. The price structure here, we've had a major test low of 77. We've worked our way higher. Had another double bottom at 88 cents, which is really good price structure for that continuation higher. So we'll see if we get it extension up into 110. We potentially take some profit off the table. Retail food group. That's looking really good. We have an entry at 563.5 there, and we did edge higher ever so slightly. It was a grind high to the 598 mark. Some good news, ticked that higher, and then we had a couple of really strong days. Then we pushed up to the 7. We managed to take some profit off the table there above $7. We have pulled back, but we look like we're making that minor higher low there, and that could potentially take us up through $7 for continuation higher. If not, we do want to see a higher finish up towards the $7, but it is getting rejected off there. We're not seeing solid price action for a move higher, so we have locked in that $6.70 our exit level, just in case that does tip over, and then we may get a major pullback there and build a higher low for potentially down the track or push higher. But yeah, again in overbought territory. So we'll see how that all goes today, and we'll speak to you tomorrow.